Hi guys, this is Sunita. Welcome to your class 11 English snapshot chapter 1 part 6. So let us continue. Up to here means Aram was asking that when Murad stole the horse and the what is the answer of Murad? Not until this morning, he said that this morning only I have just stolen the horse, I have just taken the horse, and this morning only I have started the riding. Then Aram asked, that I asked, are you telling the truth? Of course not, he said. And he said that of course not, I'm not telling the truth. Okay, but if we are found out, but if somebody just find out, that's what you are to say. That you are to say this only, that we have started the riding this morning only. I don't want both of us to be liars, as we are taking care of the respect and the dignity of our tribe, so we are not to find out the liars. All you know is that we started riding this morning. Now Murad is making a ram understanding कि उसे कैसे बोलना है, क्या बोलना है, that आज ही मॉर्निंग से ही हमने जो है ना राइडिंग स्टार्ट की है और इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं पता तुम्हें. All right, I said. He walked the horse quietly to the barn of deserted vineyard, which at one time had been the pride of the farmer named Fatwizin. There were some oats and dry alfalfa in the barn. Now see, oats, we also have this kind of a crop in our country. Oat जो होता है, okay, and dry alfalfa, दिस इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ प्लांट, मटर की तरह का एक प्लांट होता है. एंड इन दीज कंट्रीज, ओके, दिस कैलिफोर्निया, दिस एंड ऑल, ये जो प्लांट होता है वो चारे के तौर पे यूज़ किया जाता है. सो दिस इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ प्लांट विच कैन बी फेड द एनिमल्स. ओके, सो ही वॉक द हॉर्स क्वाइटली, हॉर्स के साथ चुपचाप चला गया टू द बार्न ऑफ अ डेजर्टेड वाइनयार्ड. नाउ दिस इज अ डेजर्टेड वाइनयार्ड means formally no kind of गार्डनिंग इज़ बीइंग डन हियर. यहाँ पे कोई वाइनयार्ड तो है, लेकिन यहाँ पे कोई देखभाल करने वाला नहीं है, टेक केयर करने वाला नहीं है. विच एट वंस टाइम हैड बीन द प्राइड ऑफ अ फार्मर. नाउ एक टाइम पे ये बहुत बड़ी हुआ करती थी, एंड दिस वॉज द प्राइड ऑफ द फार्मर. इनका नाम क्या था? फैटविजिन. ओके, ये फार्मर था जिसकी बहुत बड़ा ये वाइनयार्ड हुआ करता था. But now it's a deserted one. There were some oats and a dry alfalfa in the barn. We began walking home. Now we just left the horse there and we began walking towards home. It wasn't easy, he said, to get the horse to behave so nicely. Now Murad was just telling Ram that we easy नहीं था कि horse को इतना nicely behave कराना. It was not easy. At first it wanted to run wild. But as I've told you, I have a way with him, with a horse. Okay, स्टार्टिंग में तो क्या करना चाहता था ये, जो है ना, अपने आप में अपने वाइल्ड तरीके से दौड़ना चाहता था. बट आई टोल्ड यू आई हैव अ वे विद अ हॉर्स, कि मेरा इनके साथ बनती है, मेरे को इनकी बात समझ में आती है. सो आई जस्ट मैनेज्ड. आई कैन गेट इट टू वांट टू डू एनीथिंग. आई वांट इट टू डू. हॉर्सेस अंडरस्टैंड मी. मैं इसे चाहे जो करा सकता हूँ, क्योंकि क्या है रीज़न बिहाइंड इट, दैट हॉर्सेज अंडरस्टैंड मी. हाउ डू यू डू इट? आई एस्क्ड. कैसे कर लेते हो? आई हैव एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग विद अ हॉर्स, ही सेड. Yes, but what sort of understanding? Now I asked again that what kind of understanding do you have? A simple and honest one, he said. Well, I said, I wish I knew how to reach an understanding. I wish how to reach with an understanding like that with a horse. Okay, now the Aram is saying that, oh, काश मेरे साथ भी यही होता, कि काश मैं भी हॉर्स के साथ इतनी अच्छी से अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्रिएट कर पाता. यू आर स्टिल अ स्मॉल बॉय, ही सेड. मुराद से, यू आर स्टिल अ स्मॉल बॉय. व्हेन यू गेट टू बी 13 you'll know how to do it. That right now you're a small boy, and when you will be of 13 means automatically you will get to know. I went home and ate a hearty breakfast. Means बढ़िया लंबा चौड़ा और satisfying breakfast मैंने लिया. That afternoon, my uncle Khusrav came to our house for coffee and cigarettes. He sat in the parlor, okay, sipping and smoking and remembering the old country. Parlor is a kind of place of the house where the visitors just come and they just sit. Okay, so he was just sipping the coffee and smoking the cigarette and remembering the old country, the old days. Then another visitor arrived, a farmer named John Byro. This is the owner of the house, the stolen house. An Ashurian. Okay, he is not an Armenian. He is an Ashurian who, out of loneliness, had learned to speak Armenian, and he was alone. That's why he had to learn the language, the Armenian language. My mother brought the lonely visitor coffee and tobacco. Now, who is a lonely visitor here? John Byro. Okay, he is a lonely visitor, and my mother, she just brought coffee and tobacco for him, and he rolled a cigarette. He started to roll a cigarette and sipped and smoked. Sipped for coffee and smoked for cigarette, and then at last sighing sadly, और एक दुख भरी एक आह भरी. Okay, he said, my white horse which was stolen last month is still gone. That my white horse which was stolen last month, जो मेरा white घोड़ा जो last month चुरा लिया गया था, is still lost. I cannot understand it, and I cannot simply understand it. My uncle Khusrav became very irritated. He became annoyed and he shouted, it's no harm. What is the loss of a horse? Haven't we all lost the homeland? क्या हमने अपनी ज़मीन ही खो दी? तो horse के lost होने से क्या गम करना? Why? It is no harm. What is this crying over a horse? एक घोड़े के गुम हो जाने पे क्यों रो रही हो? That may be all right for you. A city dweller. A city dweller means a resident of a city. To say, John Byro said, but what of my Surrey? Surrey is a light four-wheeled carriage. Okay, that what about that carriage? What good is Surrey without a horse? And he is asking कि मैं गाड़ी का क्या करूँगा बिना horse के. Pay no attention to it. My uncle Khusraw roared और दहाड़ के चिल्ला के बोले कि pay no attention to it. I walked 10 miles to get here. Now John Byro said that मैं 10 माइल चल के यहाँ पे आया हूँ. Okay, so you have legs. Now my uncle Khusraw shouted, and now my uncle Khusraw shouted that what happened? If you have just walked 10 miles, then what happened? What a big thing. Okay, you have legs. So my legs pains me, the farmer said. Now farmer explained that my legs are paining me. Okay, pay no attention to it. My uncle Khusraw roared, and again my uncle Khusraw roared that pay no attention to it. That horse cost me $60, the farmer said. Now again John Byro said कि उस घोड़े की कीमत $60 थी. I spit on money. और खुसरो अंकल ने क्या कहा? That I spit on money. मैं तो पैसे पे थूकता हूँ. He got up and stalked out of the house. Okay, now who got up? John Byro. Okay, the farmer got up and he stalked out of the house. तो वो अपने दरवाजे की तरफ चलने लग गया, वो घर से बाहर निकलने की तरफ चलने लग गया. एंड स्लैमिंग द स्क्रीन डोर, और जो फ्रंट डोर है उसको खींच के फोर्सफुली उसको बंद किया. माई मदर एक्सप्लेन्ड, he has a gentle heart. My mother is explaining about the farmer, John Byro. She said, it is simple that he is homesick and such a large man. And he is a large man and homesick. Nobody is at his home. That's why he is behaving so. The farmer went away. And I ran over to my cousin Murad's house. Farmer chala gaya, and then I ran to my cousin Murad. He was sitting under a peach tree. Peach, nowadays the season is going on. Peach, in Hindi we just call it aadu. If you have just heard it. Trying to repair. Okay, the hurt wing of a young robin which could not fly. And what was my cousin doing? एक पीच के पेड़ के नीचे बैठ के वो एक रॉबिन, एक जो है ना बर्ड के हर्ट हुए विंग को, यानी उसको कोई चोट लगी हुई थी विंग पे, तो उसको वो ठीक कर रहा था. ही वॉज talking to the bird and he was talking to the bird also. Okay, and what is it? He said, and he asked me that what is it? Kya hai? The farmer John Barrow. I said he visited our house. He wants his horse. And then I explained that John Barrow visited our house and he wanted his house. You've had it a month. And then I told him that I have got to know, okay, that you have it a month ago. I want you to promise not to take it back until I learn to ride. Now Ram, what Ram wanted? Ram ये चाहता था कि वो मुराद से ये प्रॉमिस ले ले कि वो उसे वापस नहीं करेगा जब तक आराम वो जो है ना घोड़ा चलाना ना सीख जाए. It will take you a year to learn to ride, my cousin Murad said. कि तुम्हें 1 साल लगेगा. We could keep the horse a year, I said. I said okay fine then we could keep. तो हम 1 साल रख लेते हैं ना. My cousin Murad leaped to his feet and वो jump होके खड़ा हुआ. Okay, that what? He roared. Are you inviting a member of Groglanian family to steal? क्या तुम ये कह रहे हो कि तुम्हारी ग्रोगलानियन ट्राइब की एक फैमिली मेंबर को स्टील करने के लिए ब्लेम किया जाए? The horse must go back to its true honor. Okay, horse जो है अपने true honor के पास वापस जाएगा. When? I asked. I said, in 6 months at least, at the latest, he said. That कम से कम 6 महीने लग जाएंगे, but 6 महीने से ज़्यादा नहीं रखूँगा मैं इसको. He threw the bird into the air, and then he threw the bird into the air. The bird tried hard, almost fell twice, 2 बार वो गिरा, but at last flew away high and straight. Okay, and then it flew away. So guys, we'll meet in the next video and we'll complete the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.